River is on yard duty when they notice Lily's discomfort. They approach the group and address them in a calm but authoritative way.
Hey kiddos, I want to check in. What are y'all playing?
Notice how River used a neutral tone, listening body language, and a curiosity question to create a safe space for communication. Next, River reflects on what they see in Lily's nonverbal cues.
I'm noticing you've got your arms crossed, and your face is looking a bit worried, especially when your friend picked you up. You kind of gritted your teeth.
Instead of scolding anyone, River turns their attention to Dahlia to remind her of the expected behavior and encourage communication. Without blame or shame, River creates space for both children to express themselves and find a solution together.
Dahlia, do you want to check in with Lily and see if she likes playing this way? Maybe you can remind me of the rule about touch at Monarch? Lily, it's okay to say no. Is there another way you'd like to join in the play so you don't have to be picked up? Dahlia, do you have an idea of a way Lily can still play? Let's figure this out together.
Once Lily and Dahlia have agreed on new boundaries, River stays nearby, monitoring. When recess ends, they approach each child individually to celebrate their problem-solving skills.
You looked like you were having more fun once you told Dahlia you didn't want to be picked up. I love how you checked in with the littler kids to make sure you had their consent. You set a really good example.
Through their attentive observation and empathetic guidance, River created a safer emotional environment for everyone. They empowered the kids to set and respect each other's boundaries. Lily and Dahlia both learned valuable lessons about communication and consent that will help them in many future situations.